Welcome to your April updates. It's been a great month. We hope you've had one also. Wanted to start off, obviously, around the site. We've had a really obvious and noticeable shift in the process behind the scenes with the parking and the space that's available. I'm really happy to see how everyone's clubbed together, taking it on board, and it shows with great process and great people you can have successful systems. So great to see, keep it up. Anyway, into this month's activities. So we couldn't start without mentioning how well we did last night at the Motor Trader Awards 2025. So this was the Commercial Industry Awards. We won the Commercial Dealer Website Award, we won the Digital Initiative Award, and we won LCV Dealer of the Year Award. Three very important awards for us. We entered all three of them and won all three of them. Really good to see. It's something that I personally have spent a lot of time on, and also the wider team in the marketing department especially have spent a lot of time and energy in making sure that the website's bang on and the digital is also bang on. We've spent a lot of time on it. No, we don't always get it right, but we do really try, and everything we do is trying to put us in the right direction. And it's great to see that that has been recognised in the public domain like these awards have shown. But there's a huge congratulations to obviously everyone on the team. Without everyone pushing in the same direction, none of this is achievable. So obviously, huge congratulations and well done. A pat on the back to everyone. So we've got some new faces to welcome to the company. We've had Sid Curtis in marketing and Victor in the workshop. Victor is a temporary technician. However, you'll see him in the Pabworth workshop. And Sid, he's a new marketing assistant and photographer for Anchor Vans, doing a fantastic job getting up to date with the photos, and he's doing brilliant work. So if you see either of them, give them a pat on the back and welcome them in. A few events that we'd like to just drop in there. Obviously, we've got Top Golf on the 9th of May. It promises to be a fantastic evening. Drinks, beer, bit of golf. Don't have to be any good, but it's far more fun than you think if you haven't been before. We've sent out a type form to the people that are going, so make sure you're doing your food requests. In terms of travel, we're going to get minibuses up there, and then we're going to go back via Reading Station, here, and Newbury Station. And of course, if you're literally on the road, then there's no problem in pulling over and hopping off. I've been working on a staff benefits page for you guys, so you can see clearly exactly what you do get for working here. It's still in the works, but there is going to be things added to it. I'll be releasing it next month. It'll be your go-to hub for all of the perks that you get for working here. Our Trustpilot numbers have been fantastic this month. Thank you to Steve Bentley and Nick, who's come first again. You guys are doing fantastic work. Everyone on that leaderboard is doing fantastic work on capturing those reviews. Remember, if you're not in sales, this is open to anyone. Don't just think that because you're a driver, you're not a driver, you can't get involved. It's super important that you think outside the box, think about how I can get these reviews. The rewards each month are fantastic, and they do really add up. I myself will be getting involved. Any opportunity to get a 5-star review, have a think about how you can get there, and let's get them. Another save the date for the 2nd of August is the Family Fun Day. Obviously, there's going to be great food, there's going to be some beers, there's going to be some drinks, there's going to be a laugh, be a bit of football, and hopefully no ankle tears or anything like that, Richard. But we'll see. Location is still to be decided. However, we'll release that information when we have it. But for now, just mark that in your diary. London to Brighton, if you're participating, make sure you're getting that training in. It's going to be a grueling challenge if you've not really done anything like this before. It's a long time in the saddle, so it's a lot of training for that as well. Not only the fitness side of it, but the mental preparation. So if you're participating, make sure you're getting those hours in on the bike, whether that's a static bike or an exercise bike or out on the road. Just make sure you're getting used to the bike, make sure you're making sure it's safe, and we'll see you on the 15th of June, I believe. As we come to the end of the video, we've got a goodbye to say. Unfortunately, we're saying goodbye to Aaron. He's been with us over a year now, and he's done a great job at the workshop. But he's on to pastures new now, so we'll say goodbye to him. If you see him around, his last day's on the 8th of May, so make sure you say goodbye to him. And that wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. It's been a great month, both in sales and in service and everything else. We catch up with our prep, and we're doing a really good job trying to get back out to the retail customers. Super important that we're keeping up those finance penetrations as well. Overall, a fantastic, successful month, and may it continue. Thanks for watching.